Hello, this is Wassim BALKHY from Central Lead. This presentation is to present the results of our article, The Last Planar System, State of the Art, which is one of the articles in the conference CITC Global Construction in the 21st Century in Amman, Jordan. The authors of this article are Kirutika Muragayan, a doctoral candidate in Central Lead, Wassim BALKHY, a doctoral candidate in Central Lead, Professor Dr. Zubair Lafaj, full professor in Central Lead, shareholder in Construction 4.0, and founder and the president of the French Lean Construction Institute, and Mr. Fabien Font, the CEO of Timothy and the founder of EMA Construction, which are known for their efforts in the field of lean construction and construction supply chain management. This presentation will cover an introduction about the study, the research objectives, the research methodology, the results of the study, conclusions, contribution of the study, and some references. Firstly, despite the importance of the construction industry, which employs more than 97 million employees in the world and has a spending of more than $13 trillion per year, this industry faces several challenges, such as a large amount of waste, delays, cost overruns, and low productivity in comparison to the manufacturing. In addition, the construction is characterized by poor planning and lack of well-established methods for monitoring and controlling the progress during the project lifetime. Therefore, there is a need to create a change in the ways of thinking and methods of managing the construction projects. One of the methods that have been proven its effectiveness in creating a positive change, improving the value creation, eliminating waste, and creating continuous improvement is the lean construction. Lean construction results from the application of lean thinking in the construction industry. The roots of lean thinking go back to Toyota Company, which faced several challenges after the Second World War, such as the low productivity, shortages in raw materials, and diversity in the demand of the customers. The response to these challenges was the development of Toyota Production Systems by Taiichi Ohno, which brought several practices and concepts such as just-in-time, Kanban, creating flow, continuous improvement, 5S, and others. The introduction of these concepts helped to create a massive change to the manufacturing sector, and these concepts were transferred to the West under the name of lean manufacturing. In 1992, the first work in the field of lean construction was done by Lori Koskela, who presented the new production philosophy in construction. This work was considered as the first stream in lean construction. The second stream started by the presentation of the last planar system by Glenn Burrard in 1994 and 2000. The last planar system was helpful to present new ideas and practices to improve the planning and control in the construction projects. The following study focuses on last planar system and aims to present a state of the art about these systems and achieve the following objectives: to review the principles and origins of LPS, to present the benefits of the application of LPS, and to discuss the challenges that face the adoption of LPS. This study is a literature review article in which a research was conducted to achieve the research objectives. The inclusion criteria in this study were as follows: the articles that were published on Google Scholar, the articles that were published since 1992, which is the year of the presentation of lean thinking in the construction industry, the articles that were written in English, and the articles resulted from the search using the following keywords: LPS and origins, or benefits, or barriers, or principles or applications or levels. The study had the following results. The literature has several definitions for LPS. However, among the most used definitions is the one that presented by the Lean Construction Institute, which confirmed that LPS is a collaborative planning system which integrates should, can, will, and did planning and perform constraint analysis and weekly plans based on commitments and reliable promises, and learning from measuring plan percent complete and analyzing variance. The integration of these principles is apparent in 5 levels of planning in LPS. The first level of planning is setting the milestones of the project by presenting the master plan. The second level, which uses the master plan as an input and with a master plan tries to focus on what should be done in the project, is the phase or pull planning, in which the focus is on the handoffs. The results from the phase planning are the key to present the look ahead planning, which defines what can be done in the project. In this phase, the focus is on making the work ready by analyzing and removing the constraints. Following that, the weekly work plan is done to specifically define what will be done by making the work promises. The last level is the learning process, which defines what has been done and aims to measure the PPC, conduct root cause analysis, and identify the reason for variance in the planning. The results of the study also show that the literature has reported several benefits due to the implementation of LPS. The most reported benefits are improvements in project delivery, increased reliability in planning, expanding knowledge and learning among the team members, and better communication among the team members. On the other side, the most reported barriers that face the implementation of LPS are organizational resistance to change, lack of leadership skills, late or partial LPS implementation, lack of support from the stakeholders, especially the top management, and lack of experience and training. The main conclusions of this study are the implementation of LPS has the potential to improve efficiency and performance in the construction project. LPS is completely collaborative and well-structured planning and controlling method that it's different from traditional planning where should, can, will, and did are not completely integrated. And the benefits of LPS are possible in a welcoming environment where the resistance to change is low. The significance of this study lies in its endeavor to serve as a reference for researchers, academics, practitioners who want to know more about LPS and about its implementation. Future research can investigate the strategies to implement LPS and cover the integration of LPS with other concepts such as building information modeling, BIM, or digital tools like digital twin. Finally, this slide shows some useful references that are related to the topic. Thank you for your attention and see you in Amman